Hello students, welcome to your English class. Students, in previous English class, we have revised all the rules of tenses and I have sent the worksheet also. I hope you all have completed that and you have learned the rules also. Now, in today's English class, we are going to take our chapter number 10. That is the conjunction. It is on page number 50. We have already done in this class and we have to revise it today. So let's revise it. As you know that what is conjunction? A conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. Yes. So you all have to learn the definition of conjunction also, that a conjunction is a word which is used to join words or sentences together. So let's learn from the examples. Look at Tom and Mary. So in this, and is conjunction which is joining Tom and Mary. Tom is jumping and Mary is skipping. In this, we are again joining the two sentences with the help of the conjunction and. Is Tom jumping or skipping? In this, we are joining again jumping and skipping with the help of or. Tom is a boy, but Mary is a girl. So here we are joining two different sentences with the help of but. And but is also conjunction. Now, Tom likes sports, so he plays football. Now we are joining two sentences with the help of so conjunction. Mary cannot go to school today because she is ill. Now we are giving the reason here, so we are joining two sentences with the help of because. Mary's sister is 6 years old and she goes to the school every day. Again, we are joining two sentences with the help of conjunction and. Now, more examples are here. They were very fond of bread and butter. We went to Kashmir and had a splendid time. Ice is cold but fire is hot. So in first two sentences we are joining, in the first one bread and butter with and, in the second one we are joining two sentences with the help of and, in the third also we are joining ice is cold but fire is hot. So here two sentences are contradictory, are different from each other, so we are using but here. I like Tony. He is always cheerful. We are joining with because here is the reason. Make hay while the sun shines. We shall not play the match if it rains. He failed although he worked hard. You will not catch the train unless you walk fast. We have not seen her since she got married, and I told her plainly that I would not drink coffee. So, here, while, if, although, unless, since, and that all are conjunctions. Let us learn how we will use them. So here are the use of conjunctions. So conjunctions are used for joining one sentence or another sentence. First, by using and. I shall go to the bazaar. I shall bring you sweets. I shall go to the bazaar and bring you sweets. Yes. Now, the next, he sells mangoes. He sells oranges. Here, he sells mangoes and oranges. So, we are joining two words with the help of the and. Now, by using but, Anil goes to school. Asha stays at home. So, here two different sentences are there. There is a contradictory in Anil and Asha. So, we are joining with but. Anil goes to school, but Asha stays at home. Now, Raman worked hard. He did not win the prize. Though he worked hard, he did not win. So, Raman worked hard, but he did not win the prize. Clear? Now, see the exercise 1. Here we have already done. You have to do once again yourself. The sun rises in the east, the sun sets in the west. So, we are joining with and. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. And see the last example also. They begin badly, they ended well. They begin badly but ended well, because two contradictory things are here. Clear? So you have to do this exercise. Now, by using or, else, otherwise, or and unless. Work hard, you will fail in the examination. The one example we can use in different way. Work hard or you will fail in the examination. Work hard, else you will fail in the examination. Work hard, otherwise you will fail in the examination. Unless you work hard, you will fail in the examination. So, the same example we can use or, else, otherwise, and unless. Now, in exercise 2, here is the first example. You can see you must take your medicines, otherwise, you will not get better. Yes, so rest all the sentences you can have to join with or, else, otherwise, or unless. Now, come to this by using so, therefore, because, as, and since. In this also we are taking one example and changing by using so, therefore, because, as, and since. It is raining, I cannot go to school. It is raining, therefore I cannot go to school. I cannot go to school because it is raining. Now on the next page, as it is raining, I cannot go to school. And since it is raining, I cannot go to school. So now here is the exercise. Join each pair of sentences using so, as, therefore, because, or since. So I am giving you first example. Rest you will do yourself. He failed in the examination. He did not work hard. He failed in the examination because he did not work hard. Or as he did not work hard, he failed in the examination. Clear? So you can join with all these by using though, although, and still. He could not pass, he tried often. He could not pass, though he tried often. Or although he tried often, he could not pass. He tried often, still he could not pass. So one example we can change in any by joining any of the conjunction though, although, and still. So here in exercise 4, Rahul failed in the examination. He had worked hard. Rahul failed in the examination. He had worked hard. So Rahul failed in the examination though he had worked hard. Yes, or Rahul failed in the examination although he had worked hard. Now exercise 5, underline the conjunctions in the following sentences. So you can underline work hard or you will fail. Hari was, or is conjunction here. Hari was present but Rama was absent. But is conjunction here. He is very rich yet he is unhappy. Yet is conjunction here. Vivek worked hard, therefore he scored well. Therefore is conjunction here. He failed but his brother passed the test. Here but. Now rest of the sentences you will do yourself. Now come to the exercise number 6. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Wait here until I return. Trust in God and do the right. We must practice well, otherwise lose the match. Catch me if you can. He is happy, although he is poor. He ran fast and caught the train. Run fast or you will miss the train. I like him because he is honest. Shan will not pass unless he works hard. He is very rich, yet he is unhappy. Tom goes to school, but his younger sister stays at home. I shall not come as it rains. Annie is tall, but Mary is taller. Karan is old, though he is quite fit. I shall buy it as I have money. So you all have to do all these exercises and learn all the rules of using conjunction. Okay, rest we will do in next. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice time.